Guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'll be making steak queso dip. And I got some taco shells and some tortillas. I'll be making them as a quesadilla and as a taco. I have some onions, Velveeta cheese, steak already seasoned, rotel, some shredded lettuce, taco shells, and some tortillas. And I already seasoned with all purpose, but we're going to add a little black pepper. What we do is add the onion to the pot on medium heat with a little oil in the pot. And we're just going to stir that around, add the steak, and let it simmer down for about 20 to 25 minutes. So it's been about 20 to 25 minutes, and now I'm just going to add some black pepper. I'm going to season my meat all over again. I don't know, I just like to season my pot twice. It's just a habit. It just makes it taste like 10 times better. But yes, this is some all-purpose seasoning. And some cilantros. After seasoning my pot again, I had covered it and let it simmer down for about 10 more minutes, and it's dried out. And now I'm just adding the rotel to the pot to mix it with the meat, Stir it all in. Now it's been 5 minutes since I let it cook down a little bit with the rotel and the meat. And now it's time to add our cheese, guys. So this is the final part. After this, you're done. Just gonna add your cheese, let it cook down for another 5 minutes. All the cheese melt. And then we're all done. We're all done. Look at that. Bubbling. Oh my God, it looks so good. And it tastes even better. Oh my God. I can't wait. Well, look at that, guys. Now I'm going to put this in the taco shell, and also I'm going to make it as a quesadilla, and I'm going to put it as a dip to eat with the tortilla chips. Trust me, this is the bomb. Guys, now I'm going to add some of the dip into the tortilla to make a quesadilla. A cheesy steak quesadilla. Well, you could call it a queso dip quesadilla. I don't know. Whichever. Guys, this is all done, and this is what it looks like as a dip for the tortilla chips, and also as a quesadilla and as a taco. I didn't really record doing it into the taco, but you just put it in there and put some shredded lettuce on top.